think what was the first observation that I made about our group was that there was nobody who really had spare time on their hands. It was not a group who was there because, I have nothing better to do, so let me just join and enroll myself or engage myself in something for the next few months. I think about 85% of the people that I sit next to in class already have their hands full with lots of ventures, lots of activities. They are, they're mothers, they're housewives, they're business entrepreneurs, and yet they have found time for themselves to come and, want to take themselves to the next level. Just sitting with the people, sitting with a group like that is extremely inspiring.
The program has been even more interesting because of our co-fellows, and we have an amazing group of people that are doing this course together.
About this,
They're amazing. I mean, like I said, there are a bunch of smart, ambitious, well-read, well-traveled women, and we're also like-minded, and yet, each one has their own forte. So you all belong, they have their own passions, and everyone's passionate about different things. But there's that, at your core, I think you're also alike. So I think it was great mixing with a bunch of such smart women, yeah.
Luckily for us, our peer group is really good. We are all like-minded people. We are all doing different things. We come from similar backgrounds. We do have a lot of discussions, and we all share each other's experiences. And if someone's having some issues, we discuss, and it's really nice. It's making the classes more fun.
experience with the peer group has also been fantastic. They've been everyone is doing something different or wanting to do something different, and it's been a while since I've met such an interesting group, and YWLP has really managed to get a good group like this together for the first program.
I met some great women on this program, and from all different walks of life. Some already have running businesses that they want to take to the next level. Some are working on some startups. So it's a really interesting mix of women from different academic backgrounds.
Great bunch of 13 girls. We're all from different backgrounds. We're all at different stages of our lives, and it's great because we all get along in a way on this really wacky wavelength, and it's just really nice to meet and listen to some of their experiences, share, learn from theirs, tell them yours, and it's great discussing ideas. I mean, I think it has been really fruitful for me, at least, because there's certain angles that you never think about, different perspectives, etc., that you get from these girls, and they're fabulous. So I think we were lucky to get a really good mix of girls, and I think there will be some professional alliances happening within this class, even post this program.